फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको क्लैड नाइक क्लैड के अंदर जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उनसे रिलेटेड इम्पोर्टेंट नोट्स के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। सो इन क्लैड 2020 द tick count, which is in milliseconds function, returns the value of millisecond timer when it is called. Property nodes are designed for modifying front panel objects programmatically. For loops are most efficient for creating arrays than while loop because for loop execute for predetermined number of iterations. Thus, LabVIEW can allocate the memory to be used by the array before the for loop runs. Even though automatic error handling is enabled, all of the functions have error clusters wired to their outputs. This prevents LabVIEW from interrupting execution and displaying a dialog to the user even though an error has occurred. If any of the functions had no error cluster wired to their outputs, then LabVIEW would display a dialog or suspend execution. Key navigation is a property of controls that allows the programmer to assign keyboard actions to controls. Key focus is a property that determines if a control is currently selected or not. Here is the term radix is the display component of integer controls which allows the user to select between decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal displays. Next is distribute objects is a tool for organizing the front panel only. By passing control reference to other VIs, programmers allow sub-VI access to the properties and methods of object in the main VI. Feedback nodes functions very similar to shift registers. Utilizing error cluster in a sub-VI is the best way of enforcing data flow since it also allows for proper error handling. For loops to run in parallel, there needs to be no data dependency between them. A wire running from one loop to another makes one loop dependent on the first due to the rules of data flow. So, if a wire is used between the loops, they are no longer in parallel. Property nodes always execute from top to bottom. Waveform graphs either accept 2D array or 1D array of cluster containing waveform data. Waveform graphs do not accept X and Y data interleaved in a 1D array. Notify or notifiers events simply inform LabVIEW that an event has occurred and been processed. Filters events allows the user to programmatically decide to discard events. Since the control files were saved as a control and not as a type def or strictly type def, the change to the file does not update instances of the control. By default, the TQ element function waits until data is available. It returns when data becomes available or the queue reference is destroyed. This functionality is important to the producer or consumer design pattern. The probe tool allows the developer to see data in a wire during execution, but it does not slow down execution at all. Highlight execution, slow down execution and display the flow of data. In this case, in highlight execution, our program slow down. Single stepping tool allows the developer to look into sub VIs. Breakpoints causes the VI to stop execution and wait for the developer to decide to start single stepping or unpause the execution. When doing array arithmetic, LabVIEW will force the output to be the size of smaller input. This is all about first part of notes of CLAD 2020, and here are some questions, CLAD questions, which are asked in July 2020 CLAD exam. This is the first question. Here I am not explaining this, I am just showing you the different CLAD 2020 questions. So here is the first question. It is on files. Here is the second question. Here is the third question. It is on state machine and mechanical action of the button, push button. Here is the fourth question, again on state machine. Here is the fifth question. Here is the sixth question on strings. Here is the seventh question. The answer of this is result is an array of cluster. I will explain you after this video. Here is the another question on sub VIs and hardware. Here is again next question, question number 9, and this is the again repeated question. Thank you.